This channel is for educational purposes only. All videos, presentations and writing are only for educational purposes and are not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk. If you would like to learn and follow our videos, please subscribe.
Good day, everyone. I'm Victor from Naija TradeWise. Hope you're having a great week. And now, today we're going to start our analysis as usual. Before we go to the market selection, introducing the company, Naija TradeWise. As you know, our partner broker, BKFX, offers 100% deposit bonus. It's also regulated and it's a secured broker registered in South Africa. We have easy funding with Naira. You can just make a transfer. And we also have money management, which you have professionals working for you if you don't have the time to look over your trades. Now, with that out of the way, let's go over to our market selection for the coming week. Okay, so we're starting off with USD Japanese yen. All together today, we have 7 financial instruments, six currency pairs, and one stock, that is Twitter. So we are going to start with the USD Japanese yen. Okay, so on this one, we are going to be looking at the weekly chart. Of course, we're going to take our entry using the daily chart. Now, we see that in the past 4 weeks, the bulls have been in control of this market. There was the push here. The bears came, forced it down. Last week, they tried to force it down, but did not break the first week of the 4. Now, there was some push here by the bulls. Now, we are looking at it. We believe that coming to the daily chart, we will pick our entry at we'll say 109.016. That is for the USD Japanese yen. I will probably take our profit at about 111.30. That's for the USD Japanese yen. Our next pair is the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. So on that, we're going to go to the weekly chart. Now, we see also in the past 4 weeks, the bulls have been in control. Now, just to be clear to everyone watching this, we are always using the moving average. Now, what we concentrate on is once the candlesticks, we use candlesticks instead of the other alternative. Now, you can always change it here. Now, we use candlesticks. So once the candlesticks are above the moving average, we believe that it is bullish. So now we see that the bears did try to force it down, but the bulls ultimately came back up and pushed it. So we will be taking our entry at about, let's see, we say we take it about most probably here, 0.73705, or we just make it somewhere here, 73,800. That is where we will be taking our entry points. Now, in regards to, that's our entry point. In regards to taking profit, we will take it at about 0.75 500. So that's that. Now, our next pair will be the Euro Great British Pound. Now, we will be buyers here, actually. As I had mentioned earlier, if you look at this, that the moving average, of course, the candlesticks are above the moving average, even though it was chaotic in the past couple of months. But we see that the bulls are coming back roaring. Oh, bulls don't roar, apologies. Okay, so we will go to 4 hour, look for an entry here. Of course, the bulls did force it down here. The bears did push it down here. And we will wait for the bulls to take control of it again. So we were looking for an entry point above this candle. So let's say about 0.86700 will be our perfect entry. Take profit for that will be around, let's check this out. We can look for somewhere here. We're very ambitious, but we will be looking for somewhere. Look, that's about, it's going to take some time before this trade to materialize. So please just stick with it, hold it for some time. It will have its up and down. Just if you look at the other ones, they've been going up and down. So same will be for these going back up. Going down, it was a zigzag, but we see that it has changed from the daily chart, that the bulls are in control. Our next pair is the apologies. Euro New Zealand dollar. Yeah, great. So what are we going to be doing here? Yes, if you notice, we have all been talking about being bullish, right? So on this pair, we're going to be sellers, we're going to be bearish. Now, like we had mentioned, look at the exponential moving average, where's in the daily chart. It has crossed below the moving average, as you can see. It has crossed below it. So we go here, we look at this push here, look at this push. It went, of course, it pushed. Now we believe, excuse me, our entry point will be taken at around, let's say here. Let's look at it this way. Of course, this candlestick is quite big, but some people take it from here, but I think we will take ours somewhere around here. So this is where we'll be taking our entry point. Bear in mind, we use the daily charts to select this and to be bearish. Now, what's next? We have the British pound, Australian dollar. Another pair we will be selling. Great. So looking at the daily chart once again, we look at this. We come to the 4-hour chart, wait for this candle to do its thing, to come here. And yeah, we will be buyers from the close of, once we break below this candle, we will be buyers. Sorry, we will be sellers. Apologies to that, please. I'm sorry. We'll be selling here. We'll be bearish from this point. And probably we'll take profit at, wow, we have to go back. Sorry, I'm a bit excited. So we have to probably look here. I think let's take it about here. I'll take profit. So we'll be moving to our next and only stock, that is Twitter. Now on Twitter, if you look at it, it is above the moving average. So we will be buyers. So we will look for an entry point at this 4-hour. We will take our entry points at about, let's say at about 70.50. Just when above this 4-hour, once it crosses the 4 hours, we will take once it crosses this candle and goes above the 4-hour moving average. So we will enter there and probably take profit at let's say 81.5. I think it's $11 is good for this stock. Our last currency pair is the USD Swiss franc. Now we see it's above, as we mentioned, the moving average. Of course, the bears have been doing some damage to it, but we believe that we will be buyers in this. We come to the daily chart, look for an entry point, I would say about here, 92.460 or 500, and hold it to about, let's say 95. I would say 95 would be the perfect place. Okay, guys, these are the financial instruments we're analyzing, expecting in our market selection this coming week. We are hoping you guys will have a great week. Now, if you have any questions or there's any currency pair you would like us to analyze, please leave your questions or comments in the description, and we will surely get back to you on that. Once again, my name is Victor from Naija TradeWise. You all have a great day. Thank you.